Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5055E tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor with right at 350 hours. Very clean tractor. Again, very low hours at 350. It does have the 3-cylinder John Deere diesel engine that is rated at 59 horsepower. The tractor is very clean, as you can see. The paint's in really nice shape. Tires are good on it. It's a 2015 year model, so the engine will regen. It does not require DEF. Nice size tractor for brush hogging, hay raking, hay tedding, anything to that nature. It's a very nice size for that kind of job. 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, drawbar and top link are both with the machine. Does have the rear hydraulic outlet back here. And as you can see, very clean tractor. Barely any paint off the floorboards here. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.